Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering your core documents: Seafarer Book, STCW, Medical, and ID. Once done, draft a concise CV highlighting recent sea service and endorsements, and collect scanned testimonials. Then contact Anglo Eastern Crewing HR. Use an email titled DNS Sponsorship Application plus your rank. Attach documents and a short cover note explaining availability. Doing this immediately moves you from passive to active applicant and sets a clear, auditable trail for the recruitment team to process. After initial contact, fill the Anglo Eastern application form carefully and upload each PDF with a consistent file name so reviewers can find them. Once submitted, note the application reference and calendar a follow-up in 7 to 10 working days. Polite, timed reminders increase visibility. Meanwhile, prepare for vetting. Notify referees, double-check service dates, and be ready for short interview or additional document requests. These middle steps ensure your file moves smoothly through crewing, vetting, and sponsorship decision. When you receive a sponsorship offer, read the contract carefully, confirm your joining window, and sign promptly to secure the slot. Once signed, arrange visa or travel documents, schedule pre-joining medicals, and confirm the boarding plan with crewing. If you hit a delay, missing document, slow response, or visa holdup, immediately request a written status update and resubmit the specific document. If that fails, escalate to the crewing manager with your application reference. Clear, documented escalation usually resolves most holdup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.